Stay consistent. Feel the difference.
Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, where did the man I used to be go? If you're over 60 and feeling tired, losing your edge, and noticing your drive slipping away, let me be clear. It's not just aging, and more importantly, it's not your fault. I want to show you how 2 simple vitamins taken at the right time can completely change how you feel as a man. This isn't a theory. It's real. And it's already helped over 14,000 men, many in their 70s and 80s. Feel like they're 40 again. Let me introduce you to Richard, at 74. He hadn't had an erection in 3 years. His wife was supportive, but he could feel her sadness. He felt like a shadow of the man he used to be. He tried pills, potions, and even gadgets. Nothing worked. Until he came to me, and all I asked him was, "What time do you take your vitamins?" He looked at me like I was crazy. But here's the truth. When you take certain vitamins is just as important as what you take. You see, between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., your body naturally produces the majority of its testosterone. That's the engine of your masculinity. But if your body doesn't have the right materials at the right time, that engine stays cold. So here's what I told Richard to do. Every night with dinner, he took 10,000 IU of vitamin D3, a powerful hormone-like vitamin that jumpstarts testosterone production. But here's the kicker. Vitamin D needs fat to be absorbed. So I told him, don't take it with a salad. Take it with salmon, eggs, steak, any healthy fat. Then 2 hours before bed, on an empty stomach, he took 50 milligrams of zinc, citrate.y zinc. Because zinc doesn't just support testosterone, it also blocks the conversion of testosterone into estrogen. Yes, men make estrogen, especially when zinc is low. That's why some men develop belly fat, lose muscle, and feel sluggish after just 6 weeks. Well, most doctors aren't trained in nutrition. They're trained to prescribe pills. And Big Pharma. They make billions from men who believe aging means decline. But you don't have to accept that. Let me give you one more story. Michael was 68, depressed, low energy, no intimacy. He was taking a handful of vitamins every morning, hoping one would work. But morning isn't when your body builds testosterone. That's like pouring fuel into your engine. When it's off, I had him start the D3 and zinc protocol exactly timed, nighttime only. Within 4 weeks, he was lifting weights, smiling again, and his wife. Let's just say she was thrilled, Michael told me, Dr. Anderson. I feel like I'm back in the game. Now, before you rush out and buy supplements, timing and quality matter. Vitamin D3. Take 10,000 IU with a dinner containing fat. Start with 5,000 IU if you're cautious. Zinc citrate. Take 50 milligrams. 2 hours before bed, on an empty stomach. Important, take a break 1 week every month. Too much zinc long-term can lower your immune function. Let me leave you with this. If you're over 60 and your energy, confidence, or performance isn't what it used to be, it's not about getting older. It's about getting smarter. You don't need another pill. You need to work with your body, not against it. This 2-vitamin timing trick could be the simple, powerful solution you've been missing. So try it. Track how you feel in 30 days. And if it changes your life, just like Richard, Michael, and thousands of others, come back and let me know. You can be strong, confident, and full of life at 60, 70, and beyond. All it takes is 2 vitamins, 1 choice, and the courage to begin.